Hey guys, welcome back. I feel like I haven't been here for a while, but today I received a package from Victoria's Moon, and it's not the diamond painting, but I did the paint by numbers, and I'm actually really excited for this one. So let's open it up, see what's inside. Okay, so let's see. I actually liked painting, so I have a feeling I really am going to enjoy this one. Okay. So here you get all the paints. You get 3 brushes. You also get the little clips, I guess, to hang it. So that's cute. And then this is the one that I got. I didn't want to do a face or anything because, I don't know, sometimes painting faces, they look a little creepy. So what I did was, oh wow, this is big. Oh my god, this is gonna look so cute. Okay, so this one is, I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me pull it up a little bit. So this is what it looks like. So it has all the numbers, and I did a sunflower, just a whole bunch of sunflowers. So this one, once it's done, I'm gonna put it on in my craft room. The size that I got with this was this one, 70 by 50. So this thing is huge, but this looks like fun. Okay, so according to the box, you see? So you see the number, and then you take your little paint, and then you start coloring. Well, painting. Look how cute. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna flatten it just to get all those little crinkles things out, and then I will start painting, and I'll be back to show you, I guess, a process video, and then when it's done, I'm gonna have my husband put it on like a wood piece or something. But yeah, so I hope this is enough paint. Sorry for the crinkle. There you go. Super cute. All right, so I'm gonna start. And oh my god, this is gonna be so cute. I might do this downstairs. Actually, no, I'm gonna do it up here. I'm trying to figure out where. I have a table that I'm just gonna put it on. Just leave it flat until it all flattens, and I will start painting, and I will show you guys when it's almost done. So yeah, Paint by Number by Victoria's Moon. Bye.